Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is the first time you are coming here, I say a very big welcome to you all. I appreciate you all. It's been a while that I haven't dropped video. That because say me I come out go bodo Igbo, you know. Yeah. I've been out of the country, you know, as usual to go get nice product for all of us, you know. Now listen to what I want to tell you. It's very necessary. The promo is here again. Now our promo will be coming up from on the 15th. That's the birthday promo I'll be telling you guys, okay, that I posted on my WhatsApp status. Heavy promo, okay, heavy promo. The birthday will be coming up on the 15th, okay. Yes, and now we've gotten a lot of product for you. For those of us who will be using injection, be using injection for your skin, you know, travel to Bodo Igbo, go do injection, or go do what, you know, go do a lot of process with injection, such as this, you know, go to inject just to get white, or just to get white, you know. Just to get white, you be using injection. You don't need all this for your skin to get white in 7 days. All these are even cancerous. You might be getting cancer from all that. Yes. I'm just opening up to you because nobody will tell you. They will only want to sell. Now, let me ease your problem. Look at it. As you can see, look at it before I call the name. This is what we call golden white lotion, 24-hour whitening. Look at it. This is golden white lotion, 24-hour injection. 24-hour injection. So instead of you to be using all this, you know, don't use all this. Instead of you to be using all this, don't use them. Rather use it. So what I mean, in 7 days, unless you don't want to get white, this is what the celebrity has been using. Look at it. This is what the celebrity have been using. Celebrity, celebrity. Let me not call names, but you want to look like them. This is what they've been using. All right. Yes, you'll be thinking, oh, they go do laser, they go put their skin, they go take some injections. Don't be fooled. Don't be deceived. You know. Don't be deceived at all. This is what they've been using. They've been using powerful injections that are being converted into lotions. Injections that are being converted into lotions. Not go taking some drips. No, don't waste your time to be taking some drips or taking some syringe. No. This is what you need to take. Those are very dangerous. This is what you need to use. In 7 days, you will see that smart look. That smart look you want to get, like you want to get white like Bobrisky, or you want to get white like Tone to Decay, or you want to get white like Michael Jackson. This is what you should be using. All right, this is what you should be using. Don't waste your time to go take some syringe. No. This is what you should be using in 7 days, and the best enough for this. No side effect, no stretch mark. No stretch mark, no white patches, no dark spot. All right, and you know, and it has his serum, it has his face cream as well. Now look at the serum. The best thing about that ever happened to a man so far is when you have a full complete house. Look at it. This serum also is face and body, not just only for face and body. Now this serum, what the serum does is this. It helps you to treat your skin. Are you getting it? Yes. Now if you have some, blemishes, dark patches, dark patches, white patches, or you have some skin stretch mark, you know, just name them, or wrinkles, just name them. All right. Now this serum will put your skin together. So best you can buy the two. You mix them together, or you can be using this alone. All right. So instead of you to go use injection, let me put it at the front so you can be seeing it. Instead of you to be using injection, why are you using injection? Injection that you'll be using, you go use before you see your body will call the shrink. Don't you know that your body will be shrinking? So you don't need to use all that. Rather, use this lotion because it has been converted. Okay, yes, in 7 days you will see result. Now let me show you the face cream. Now this is the face cream. This is the face cream. So this is the whole set. It has a body wash as well also. So if you want to use, instead of you to go buy those drugs that you use to, no, you don't need all that. Just use a simple lotion will do it for you. And now we're about to do promo. So make sure you be part of this testimony, because you can check our website and you can check our YouTube, you can check our Instagram. You will see result on our result with a search for, you know. Whenever we hear result, that's what gives us joy. All right. So make you not go to use all those things, because now when you don't reach 50, 55, 60, your skin, you won't like your skin anymore. That is the advice I'm giving you. You won't, because you are using all those hard chemical, stop using all those hard chemicals on your skin. You will be, yes, at first it will look so good, on you. I won't lie, it will look so good on you, but before you see, your body doesn't shrink, your body doesn't get wrinkles, and you don't get basket net. All right. So these are the real remedies for you. You want to get white like celebrity, these are the real remedies for you. Don't go deceive yourself at all. And another thing I want to tell you, for those of us, like, when you use a product, let me give you one secret. Using a product, and somebody said you use your product and automatically you get white patches, that is a lie. A product that you've used for only 1 week, you say you get white patches, that is a lie. Not be your product they use, okay? And let me just help you out, Sarah, on that. The question you asked me, I've just said it right now. Like, is it possible for somebody to use your product and get white patches in 1 week? That is a lie. The person must have used some hard products that have hard chemicals. All right, so those are big lies. Your product in 1 week cannot just cost white patches. All right, so that is that. It can cause any other side effect, but not white patches. All right. So for us that for us who want to get white, excess white, you want to get white, like those celebrities, like as I said, these are what you use. You use this one, this golden white 24 hour, no, look at where, 24-hour whitening injection. This is what you need. Stronger than those whatever. Let me not just mention it. It's stronger than those lotions you see out there. All right, and no side effect. Once again, I will show you. This is the oil or the serum. Okay, this is the serum. So it's full house. We have the face cream and we have the body and face serum. Okay, and we have the lotion and we have the shower gel as well. I will be talking about the shower gel or the body wash on the next episode. So do not forget, if you want us to train you, better training, just register for our skincare school. That's all. We'll train you from beginning to the end. All right. Yes, or you want to buy original recipe, also just shout us up, because imitation full market now. Don't be deceived. Imitation full market now, because before you know it, they will be just showing you like they are similar. They will tell you, they change their label, they've not changed anything. It's imitation and they don't work. Now only us know where we source the original. So do not forget, we ship everywhere worldwide. We ship everywhere. On the 15th, the promo begin. On the 15th, the promo begin. Don't forget we have a lot. When I mean a lot for you, and fully packaged. No fake. Say no to fake product. So I see you on the next episode. Bye bye.